Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back. As you may have noticed, I suffered protein overload, but this is the state of my hair right now. So protein overload is an imbalance in the hair that may stem from the application of too many protein rich products on the hair. So it is the presence of too much protein in the hair which may make your hair look and feel dull, dry, brittle, and to an extent cause breakage. It's been about 7 weeks since I left fenugreek on my hair for 24 hours, and that caused a protein overload in my hair. And since then, I've been doing so much, from oil treatments to excessively including aloe vera into my regimen to try and reverse the situation. So in today's video, I'll be sharing one of the things which I did and I found that it was really helpful, and that was clay washing my hair. For the clay wash, I made use of Kaolin Clay, which is commonly called calabar chalk here in Cameroon. This is the form you easily find it in. It's going to be hard to get it in powder form. So when I bought it, I used a mortar and pestle to bring mine into powder. A clay wash is beneficial in that it cleanses the hair, it detoxifies, and even promotes hair growth. All clays are rich in silica, which can regenerate hair and even skin cells. After obtaining the powder, I added water and I mixed well. I did not measure how much water I added, neither did I measure the amount of clay that I used. You can use the quantity you think will be okay for how much hair you have in your head, okay? Notice that I am making use of non-metal objects to mix this clay. This is because clays can absorb heavy metals from the objects which we use, and it may weaken the clay by the time it is being used. It is very okay to mix Kaolin clay with just water because it has a relatively lower water absorption level when compared to other clays, but I still went ahead and added aloe vera, and I also added an oil for the conditioning and softening benefits of these ingredients. Kaolin clay has a 65% water absorption level, which is relatively low when compared to bentonite clay and other clays. Bentonite clay has between 300 to 700 water absorption level. This makes it possible for Kaolin clay to remove dirt and toxins without giving you that extremely drying feeling. Kaolin clay doesn't expand, so mix till you have a consistency which is not too light and not too thick. I think this is the right one, so let's go on and apply it. Before applying, I rinsed my hair with warm water to open up my pores and hair cuticles so that the clay can really do its job very well. You should apply the clay on your hair and on your scalp, and you can even use it to massage your scalp. It's really great for the skin. It hit me that I was not paying attention to my scalp, so later on I had to come back to the scalp. I earlier mentioned that I had been using other methods to try and revive my hair, and those methods have been working. That is why I decided to use Kaolin clay because it's very gentle. Had it been I thought of a clay wash immediately after I got the protein overload, I would have thought of using bentonite clay because it's really strong. It has a strong absorption capacity. Also, Kaolin clay has a pH of 6, which is very close to our natural pH, so I thought it wise to make use of Kaolin clay. And lastly, Kaolin clay is readily available to me here. It's so easy to get it than if I had to go looking for other clays to use on my hair. Other benefits of using Kaolin clay on the hair are that it removes flakes and dandruff, and it leaves the hair soft and moisturized. And also the silica that is present in the clay helps the hair to grow, and it also helps in calming inflammations on the scalp. Yeah, my entire hair is covered with Kaolin clay, and like I earlier mentioned, this clay is also good for the skin. So I was not going to leave my skin or my face without applying the clay on it. right? Right? Yeah. So I applied some on my face and then I covered my hair with a plastic bag for about 20 minutes before washing it off. My hair wasn't very clean the first time, so I had to go back to the shower. But look at my hair. Like, look at my hair. I feel like my hair is back already. What do you think? Look, I feel like the elasticity is back. Look at the curls. It's soft, it's bouncy. I feel like my hair is already back. Like I don't really have to work extra hard on having the hair back. I feel like it's already back. What do you think? After conditioning and rinsing, my scalp is thoroughly clean, and so too is my hair. Notice that I did not make use of a shampoo again. I just conditioned, and you can choose to deep condition after a clay wash. It's up to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.